Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have Android unlocked and NFC enabled. Now act. Open the file or contact you want to send and keep that app visible. Once done, bring both devices close, about 1 to 2 inches, aligning their NFC antennas near each other. You'll feel or hear a tap acknowledgement on many phones. That confirms the handshake. If prompted, tap the screen to confirm sending. This starts the Android beam-like transfer mechanism and moves control into the share flow so the transfer can begin. After the initial tap, you'll see a chooser or a send prompt. Select the receiving app or confirm send. The system then negotiates a higher speed channel, typically Bluetooth or Wi-Fi direct. That's why you see a progress indicator rather than raw NFC throughput. Make sure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi is enabled. If not, Android will ask to turn it on. Keep both screens active and antennas aligned until the progress reaches 100%. This ensures the larger payload moves reliably over the faster link. Once transfer completes, check the received file or contact immediately to confirm it opened correctly. If you see an error mid-transfer, stop and make one change. Toggle NFC off and on, then retry. This clears transient radio conflicts. Also toggle Bluetooth or Wi-Fi if the fallback link failed. If you still fail, try sending to a different phone. That identifies whether the sender or receiver has the problem. That single troubleshooting step resolves most common failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.